Hello everyone, especially for those 5-1 Talk Teacher applicants. For today's video, I'll be sharing to you demo preparation checklist. So before your demonstration teaching, you have to check on these 9. First, stable internet connection. Second, HD camera and noise cancellation headset. Number 3, no background noise. Number 4, bright lighting. Number 5, clean white wall or 5-1 Talk tarpaulin as your teaching background. Number 6, professional clothing or just like this one, well-groomed hair, wear light makeup for female teachers only. Number 7, camera at eye level. Number 8, your teaching props for warm-up, teaching content related, and rewards. Just like this, I have here a picture of Timmy and Cindy, teacher and school. And of course, if you have realias, these will help make your class fun and engaging. And number 9, enter the classroom early to make sure you tackle the device checking before the lesson. Okay, those are all the 9 checklists before your demonstration teaching. I hope you can make it. Good luck! Bye-bye!